Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Apps script for Smartsheet project automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google account. Navigate to the Google Apps script homepage. Click on the New Project button. This will open a new script editor window. Rename the project by clicking on Untitled Project in the top left corner. Enter a descriptive name related to your Smartsheet automation. Next, open the Smartsheet API documentation in a new tab. Review the API documentation to understand the available endpoints and authentication methods. Now, return to the app script editor. In the script editor, start by writing a function. Begin the function with the keyword function followed by a name for your function. Inside the function, set up authorization for Smartsheet. You will need to use OAuth 2.0 for secure access. Install the OAuth 2 library by clicking on Libraries in the left sidebar. Search for the OAuth 2 library using the project key. Add the library to your project. Next, set up the authentication flow. Initialize the service with your Smartsheet credentials. Specify the scopes required for your automation. Then, create a function to handle the API requests. Use the URL fetch app class to make requests to the Smartsheet API. Start building your request by defining the endpoint URL. Include the necessary headers for your request. Make sure to handle authentication tokens correctly. Now, write a function to trigger your automation. You can use time-driven triggers for scheduled tasks. Set up an installable trigger by navigating to the Triggers menu. Set the event source and type according to your needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.